You're on.
Okay, this is a burnt pickup truck. This is reportedly stolen and found somewhere burnt. Okay, so we are at the tow yard here examining this vehicle to see what the vehicle tells us. So as we begin the process of examining this burnt vehicle, we start by photographing the entire outside. As we're doing that, we're looking for any heat patterns that indicate more extreme heat in one area as opposed to another. So when we look at both doors on the passenger side, we can see that the burn patterns are fairly consistent. Nothing stands out as being really hot on this side compared to anywhere else. We check the inside of the doors, and we find down inside the doors a little bit of glass, which suggests that the window was open maybe 2 to 3 inches on this side. This rear door has no glass inside the door, which suggests it was closed at the time of the fire. Okay, let's go around to the other side. When we look at this side of the vehicle, you see an obvious heat pattern right here. The hottest part being here, and it gets less hot as we go towards the outside of the door. The back edge of the door and the bottom on this side still has paint on it. So I can tell from that during the fire, this door was in the open position. Also, when we look at this A post here, we see extreme amount of heat here as compared to the other side, and the front part of the door at the top here has a corresponding heat pattern, which would not have happened had this door been in a closed position. Looking inside these doors on the driver's side, we find there's virtually no glass in the doors, and we can also see up here in a little bit of the window molding that's still left. There's still glass in it right up to the top. Normally in a fire in a vehicle like this, if this door was in a closed position, all this rubber molding would have burnt away. So, and the same thing applies to this door. We see a heat pattern here, which is an indication of excessively high heat on this side, and we have the same problem here with the outside of the door at the rear still has paint on it. So we know that these two doors were open during the fire. Now we're going to go inside and excavate the debris from inside.